Gunn High School is known for high achievement and a healthy push towards balance, thanks to academic depth plus whole student initiatives like Challenge Success. If you value rigor with a thoughtful approach to student well-being, Gunn is worth a close look. Hi, my name is Caroline Hobbs with the Rise Real Estate Group. Today, I am taking you inside Henry M. Gunn High School so you can see what learning looks like here. Courses, programs, and parent-level details that drive fit. Academically, Gunn's results beyond excellent. In 2024, about 84% of students met or exceeded standards in English language arts, and roughly 78% met or exceeded math. Again, far above statewide baselines. Those numbers don't tell the whole story, but they do reflect strong instruction across departments. Course selection is broad, with a deep catalog of AP and elective offerings. Families appreciate the mix of advanced math and science with visual and performing arts, world languages, and career technical courses. Gunn publishes current catalogs and school reports online, so you can verify specific classes. Handy if your student is mapping a multi-year plan. A signature of Gunn is its commitment to balance through Challenge Success, a nationally recognized effort co-founded at Stanford that schools implement locally. On campus, staff and students collaborate on homework loads, schedule tweaks, and practices that help students manage stress while still aiming high. If you want excellence without burnout, this is an important cultural marker for Gunn. For hands-on STEM, the Gunn Robotics Team, First Team 192, has been competing since the 1990s, giving students substantial experience in CAD, machining, programming, and project management. Team archives and First records show consistent participation at regional events and championships in many seasons. This is a place where engineering lives beyond the textbook. Gunn academics are complemented by counseling and planning resources. Between the school profile, SARC, and WASC accreditation materials, parents get a clear view into graduation requirements, supports, and school goals each year. It's a transparent planning environment, which makes it easier to line your students' course map with their interests and college goals. What about extracurriculars beyond robotics? Gunn fields comprehensive athletics in the SCVAL League, a full spectrum of arts programs, and dozens of clubs that meet during flex times and after school. Parents routinely highlight teacher accessibility and the community feel on the south side of town. Gunn's enrollment sits around the mid-1700s according to state profiles, which is large enough to offer variety, but small enough that programs still feel personal. If your student learns best in a college-like environment, Palo Alto's middle college program is now its own small high school at Foothill College. Some families combine 2 years at Gunn with 2 years at middle college for the best of both worlds. Traditional campus life early, college credits later. I help families time those transitions alongside moves and enrollment windows. From the parent viewpoint, here's what consistently rises to the top. First, academic depth with data to back it up. Second, a culture that actively works on balance rather than just talking about it. Third, real-world pathways from engineering to arts that help teenagers discover what they love and build tangible evidence of their skills. In summary, families choose Gunn for its high outcomes, supportive culture, and strong STEM and arts pathways anchored by programs like Challenge Success and Team 192. If you're targeting a home in Gunn's attendance area or trying to decide between Gunn, Palo, or even middle college, reach out to me using my contact information in the details below. And make sure to hit subscribe for more deep dives on every Palo Alto school so you can match the right campus for your child's needs. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Caroline Hobbs, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.